Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Gian Septia Santi. My NPM is 184200009 and I'm from class 4A. And in here, I want to tell you about how to make a flashcard. What is the flashcard? Flashcard is a card that is used as a tool for memorization and which contain picture and writing and usually used for children aged 1 until 4 years. The purpose of flashcard is to help the children's learning process quickly. And the material what we want to use are laptop, then internet connection, Miss Word application, scissors, cardboard, pen, and then glue, paper, and printer. The learning process. 1. To help improve children memories. 2. To make children enthusiastic about learning. And the last is to make children enthusiastic and comfortable when they are learning. Okay, let's start to make the flashcard. Check it out. Okay, let's start to make a flashcard. First, make sure your laptop is connecting to the internet connection. Like this. I'm connect from my phone. This is okay. And then look for picture according to what you want. In here, I use a picture of animals. Okay, you can open Google. You can open a Google or browser or Opera Mini and anything, and then you write kind of animals animation. Okay, and then click picture. Like this, or you can search cat animation 1 by 1. Okay, for example, cat animation, cow animation, and etc. My connection is bad. Okay, this is cat. I want to save one image. I want to save this image. Save image and then save in here. After that, if you turn to save the picture, and then you put the picture on the Miss Word application. You can click insert picture, click my picture. Okay, after that, if you finish, you can organize the picture. If you turn to manage picture, this is my picture. You can print out the image. Okay. Okay, next. This is the picture. I finished to print this image. Okay. You can prepare the tool and the materials. Okay. This is this is the material. Cut the paper. Cut the paper image. Take care when you cut the paper. Okay, like this. If you're done, you can stick it on the cardboard with glue. Don't forget to cut the cardboard. Okay, like this. Give a clue in the cardboard. And then stick it the image. Like this. Okay, finish. Don't forget to write the name of animals in under, above, or around of the picture. Okay, like this. Okay guys, finish. The flashcard is ready to use. I hope my tutorial is important for you, useful for you. You can practice the flashcard when you not busy. When you're not busy, and you can make it anywhere, and this is very easy. If you have sister, brother, or siblings, you can make flashcards for them so they can learn quickly. Or you can use it by trading flashcards on the market, and you will be get money because this is pandemic time, so you can use it, and I hope it is useful for you. Okay, thank you.